Check, check, check. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda. You know it's your boss. Nanda and I building again one more. Right now we hard at work, we are putting the work hard. So, we're up on the work again. So, in this episode, it's another reaction video. But this reaction video is more so a funny reaction video. And I will be reacting to somebody that I saw on YouTube. It's a vlogger, but he doesn't show his face. More likely he's a Jamaican. He doesn't show his face, but I came across his video. And brother, the man funny on a different level, bro. The man funny a freak. Me know some of my fans them I go bash me, say me post up this or me react to it. And some of my vendetta fans them I love the foolishness because them love the madness. But that video here with that brother here, he talk about madness, he talk about Vybz Kartel, but trust me people. If them ever hold a brother here, him for lucky say him not show him face, but if them ever hold a brother here, them do him damage, them do trouble them foot if them ever hold him. But let us just jump in a reaction and hear what dog really I say, cause brother, the man funny dog. The man a beat Kartel bad. And the man say Kartel not deserve Sidem, so let's jump right into it.
Hey YouTube! Right Spot community here, man. Out with another controversial topic, man. Hey, look. The elephant has been in the room for quite some time and nobody is calling it out, man. So I'm gonna call it out today. And whatever y'all want to say, you can say in the comment section. It means nothing whatsoever to Bright Spot, you know what I mean? So, man, Sidem is such an amazing girl, man. I'm gonna say it. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Ozturk as his wife, man. Come on. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve that girl, man. And I know all of you Gaza fans and you Gaza,
Yo, the way the man talk the English make you have to laugh, bro. The way, just by talking alone, you have to laugh, brother.
Brainwashed victims of dancehall music. Whenever I say something about Vybz Kartel, all of you get all upset and get in my comment section and say all these derogatory, discouraging remarks. But all of you know it's the truth, man. You just ain't brave enough to say it, man. Come on. It's amazing what money can do, man. And you all know that's the truth. The only reason that Vybz Kartel is with such a beautiful, kind-hearted, sweet soul girl of Sidem Ozturk is because of his money, man. His money, power, and influence, man.
Let me say disclaimer. I'm just reacting to this video. I have nothing to say. I'm just listening to it. It's funny the way how he talks, but let me tell you, bro. If them hold him in trouble, bro, I understand say him a troll for garner traffic over him channel, which is good. YouTube, sometimes YouTube is for that. People always, controversial and go on with a bag of things for garner people for come view them and them viewership go up and them get more subscribers and whatever. Cause in a life you gotta have people that gonna hate you and you gotta have people that gonna like you. So I understand.
That's all it is. He doesn't have the looks. He isn't kind.
He doesn't have the looks. He isn't kind.
Vybz Kartel is just Vybz Kartel, man, and it will always be Vybz Kartel. Whatever, he can't fool me, man. And I'm telling you today, he doesn't deserve Sidem Ozturk, man. Sidem, she is the kindest girl I've ever seen.
Yo, you can look through dog lenses. You can look through lens and see him tripod stand up with him camera.
You look in her eyes, man, and you see heaven.
Bumbo cloud.
That girl.
So that the dog want to see them the dog. So you look into her eyes and you see heaven.
Is an angel in human form, man.
Say one got heaven in our eye them.
Kartel now taking this girl, engaging her, about to marry her, and he's gonna destroy your life. For what? For trying to be Bob Marley? We all know that Bob Marley, he was with his wife, Rita Marley, and after some time, he went and he got together with Cindy Breakspear, and they got a child in the form of Junior Gong. And Vybz Kartel, seeing that he has power, influence, and reach in dancehall, he's trying to replicate what Bob Marley did.
Hey boy, go ahead.
By saying, okay, let me leave Shorty, Tanisha,
let me leave Shorty, Tanisha. Yo, the man English up on a different level, bro.
Himself another beauty queen. I mean,
that English are the chopper English, bro. Yo, when the man attack, it remind me of chopper when the chopper them a chop the white people them overseas, bro.
Sidem might not have gone in the Miss Universe world for Turkey or wherever they say that she's from. But trust me, man, this girl could have easily won Miss Universe, man. She could have easily won the Miss World Universe title if she was interested in doing that. It's a typical Beauty and the Beast situation. What did Vybz Kartel think?
Him channel name Bright Sparks channel. Bright Sparks him channel name. Bro, the man funny on a different level. Although we might talk about some serious things we might talk about. It's funny, bro, and the way my talk that.
He's going to kiss him and he's going to magically turn into a prince, man. Come.
Bumbuckly, my boy say, Kartel and Sidem are like Beauty and the Beast, and Kartel thinks that Sidem are going to kiss him and they're going to turn into this prince. Yo, that brother here, where them get him from?
Yeah. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oster.
So who deserve her?
And nobody is saying it, man. The only person who came close to saying it was Anthony Miller.
Bumbuckly. And I lie I tell you, you're too light.
So y'all are gonna just let this girl go and marry Vybz Kartel and nobody. Hey, listen. If I
me not say a man that deserve a woman, no brother. Who, right now, in this day and age, and long time, pretty girl that they with man when have looks. And the looks get girl, bro. And all the Vybz Kartel have money, but pretty girl I get ugly man without look from long time, bro. So me don't know what you might talk about Vybz Kartel not deserve Sidem, but at the same time it's funny, bro.
Is there anyone who object to this union? Man, I would get up and I would tell Sidem, man, get out of that.
Where is it?
Miller. Is there anyone who object to this union? Man, I would get up and I would...
No, come on.
I'm gonna just let this girl go and marry Vybz Kartel and nobody... Hey, listen. If I was at the wedding and the pastor said, is there anyone who object to this union? Man, I would get up and I would tell Sidem, man, get out of that relationship.
Yo. The man said, if him today at the wedding, and the pastor said, those who object, raise your hand or forever hold your peace. My boy said, but I get up and say, yo, Sidem, get out of that marriage, yo.
Shit, man. It's all because of the money. It's amazing what money can do, man. If Vybz Kartel deserves Sidem Oster, then I deserve Lisa Hanna.
Bumbo cleared.
If Vybz Kartel deserves Sidem Oster, then I deserve, I deserve, Kamala Harris.
Boom! Yo! Myself deserve Kamala Harris if Sidem, Vybz Kartel deserve Sidem. How would the blood clean? You answer to me.
Yeah, I deserve Kamala Harris if Vybz Kartel deserves Sidem Oster, man. I'm not playing, man. Come on. You know what?
Yo, bro, you just a hater, bro.
Yo, Gaza fans, man, you're gonna get all upset when I say this, man. But listen, you know it's the truth. So don't watch the video and play as if I'm saying something that is...
Yo, man, the man a traffic viewership, bro. The man a traffic, baby. Right now, the man about 800 views. 800 odd views in a couple hours, in some hours. Brother, I would have blood.
Out of this world, man. I'm telling you that if Sidem Osterk had, she's from England, she's from the UK. If Sidem Osterk had 100,000 pounds in her account.
You want to see me? I look through him glasses, I look good, to see what they in front of him for blood clean.
Vybz Kartel wouldn't get the time of day with that girl. Come on, man. Who agrees with me? If Sidem Osterk had 100,000 euro dollars in her account, when Vybz Kartel approached and slid in her DMs, she would not have given him the time of day. She would have stayed a fan.
But bro, as she reach out to Vybz Kartel now, she look him, you know. I must say behind bars that she look him, remember good enough. As she look Vybz Kartel, so he said she wouldn't give him the time of the day. As she look him.
But he used his money, man, and he bribed her, he bought her a Range Rover. Goodly paid her rent, pay off her college the week.
Don't tell me y'all don't love this chopper line talking, bro. The man talk so, the man talk good with the chopper line talk. Brother, the Jamaicans are the best, bro. This is the Jamaican, bro, and the way man bro, can't man dog, can't. Yo, I'll draw, come here, the dog, stuff up to you, I hear him can't, you might draw up in them nose. Bro.
You know Vybz Kartel has money, man. So he can do what he want to do. He paid off so much things for Sidem. Sidem just hopped in his hands like, you know, when you watch Pink Panther and Popeyes and Olive and you see the jump up in Popeye's hand, man. That's the way Sidem jump in
Vybz
Kartel hands when she saw that he's doing so much for her, man. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve that girl, and I'm telling you, you're gonna watch and see if they're married. The relationship probably only lasts for a couple months. Maybe he gets a kid out of her or whatever.
Bro, in a 2025 going forward, once you talk about Kartel, dog, be a highlight. Whether you hate Panny or not, what do you say? RT Boss mention a talk about Vybz Kartel. I see another youth here. Yo, everybody come like Vybz Kartel can traffic the money and the viewership, bro.
But the fact of the matter is that the relationship isn't a match made in heaven.
So which match?
Relationship
is a match make where? If it's not a matchmaking in heaven, I which part?
Match made in heaven.
Where is it for matchmaking?
Alright, so we need to talk out, man, and save this girl. Save this girl from the Gaza.
Save Sidem.
Save this girl from the Gaza fans. Save this girl from the old Gaza culture.
Gaza. The old Gaza fans. The old Gaza culture.
What are y'all doing, man? You're gonna let Sidem...
Bumbuckly dog. Yo, the man sound like him come from Tennessee. Howdy, bro. Gaza fan. Yo, the man sound like a Tennessee him come from, bro.
Down this road, Vybz Kartel deserves a girl like Spice. What? You know who Vybz Kartel deserves? Tanisha Robinson. Shorty. He deserves a girl who is bleached out, tattooed, full of
Clad, pull up. Yo, the man deserves a girl like Shorty, who is bleached out, tattooed. Bumbuckly, how are you get that bread I have from that?
Full of piercings, because that's the kind of songs he sing. Girls who are in that outrageous lifestyle. You know, the partying, that social type of liberty, you know. Sidem doesn't even like to party. You look at her when she's at a party with her. You look at her when she's at a party with Vybz Kartel. She looks so uncomfortable. She looks up, man. Subscribe if you know I'm
See
talking
me, I
about.
tell you. See me, I tell you. See me, I tell you. You must say, hey, just subscribe, man, if you want to hear more. You want to go and be a traffic over there and traction. Me bumbo clean. You can't make this shit up now.
Spitting bars, man. You subscribe, man, because you know I'm spitting bars, man. You know. And here comes these Gaza fans now, all up in my comments saying this and saying that, as if what I'm saying is so hilarious.
It is hilarious.
Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oster, not one bit. Yeah, he deserves a promotion with her. Hey, this is Sidem, and we don't Sidem, or whatever the rhyming videos that he's doing. That's all he deserves from Sidem, nothing else.
Yo.
So how it reaches the point where he's gonna be proposing. He's going on interviews telling
bro, every man deserve woman, brother. Any woman too.
Man, we know that
Jamaican man, every man deserve woman, brother. Any woman, you know, Jamaican man go to work already, bro. Jamaican man find a woman and there with any woman and there with them, you know, Indian, Puerto Rican, Chinese, African, American, Spanish, everything, you name it. So, brother, the way
just
that
for papers, man. Vybz Kartel, he's just doing all of this for papers. He just wanna marry Sidem, send her back to the UK, pay a lawyer, get some paperwork processed, and he leaves Jamaica forever. And as soon as he gets over there, he's gonna divorce her and get himself a tattooed, pierced BBL girl. Because that is what Vybz Kartel likes, man. He's just pretending to like Sidem. Sidem is such a beautiful heart, man. I mean, man, I'm so angry right now, man. That
why angry, dog? Oh, if you're angry, G, man, marry that woman there with that whitey.
He deserves her.
Oh, you're for mad, dog. Oh, you're for Bex. Go like, I want to see them to Buckley. Yeah, bad mind, you know?
Dion Jackson Miller.
Definition of bad mind, you know, dog.
Deserve all of those girls that they say. I deserve Nicki Minaj, Rihanna. Come on, man. What are y'all talking about?
What are y'all talking about?
Section with all of that thingamaloo that you're talking about, Gaza this and Gaza that, man. You're gonna let this girl marry into a Gaza culture which she knows nothing about. Sidem is a social worker. Sidem was a social worker. She has a kind heart. She likes helping people. So, man, if y'all agree with me, then you just put it in the comment section, man. Let us sign a petition and stop the wedding, man.
Yo, man, let us sign a petition and stop the wedding, man. Yo, must Tennessee come from?
The wedding is gonna be keeping, and I'm gonna be there so that when the minister says,
hey, look out for him at the wedding.
Audience who objects to this marriage, please stand up, man. I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna stop that marriage, man, because you know Sidem is such a beautiful girl, man. When she smiles, my whole room lights up.
Buckley, I tell you, say I want him to beat the bean up. I tell you, say I want him to see them. Your man, I tell you, say when she smile, him whole world light up, him whole room light up like pepper light. How are they Buckley got it to me?
Here is Vybz Kartel is gonna darken this girl's days, darken everything around her, man, because not because you see some things on camera mean that is the real person, man. That is not the Gaza culture, man. The Gaza is all about badness, man. Badness. One ton look.
I know badness again. Badness, man.
Badness, man. You hear about this one done thing You hear the lyrics? Vybz Kartel sings in his lyrics, man, talking about all of these violence and all of these things, man. Sidem doesn't deserve that, bro. Sidem deserves hugging, cuddling, you know, all of that peace and...
Oh my God!
You know, good loving, man, that a man like me has to offer, man.
Oh my God, me tell you! Yo, me tell you no, the man say, yo, a man like me, so
Kartel, bro. Vybz Kartel won't have no time for Sidem.
So what you have to give Sidem, brother?
You know what he's gonna do, man? He's gonna be taking Sidem on tours with him when he decides to go on the road next year. What he's gonna do? He's gonna be taking Sidem on tour with him because he knows that there are plenty of guys out there, man, who Sidem sees and likes. You think he feels good that Isaac Buchanan is around Sidem, man? He knows that is Sidem Oster's type.
Spat.
If Sidem Oster and Isaac Buchanan were together, it would be more acceptable. Yeah, you could see that, okay, this relationship could go.
Yo, the man all show him surrounded, you know, the man hiding in the bushes where you can't even find him. You better be careful, look, because people know everywhere in the dark.
But Vybz Kartel is just doing this.
A man, you put him life at risk, bro. Brother, you put your life at risk. You know what you have to youth? You can't ramp with Kartel and Gaza fans, brother. Them find anywhere the youth. Careful.
Jamaica forever, man. I'm telling you. So
forever, man.
If you believe and you like the video, man, you subscribe. You Gaza fans, man, get the fuck out of here, man. You don't need to come on my page and say shit.
I never bring the traction over there. I never bring the traction.
Y'all jumping into my comment section, picking up for Vybz Kartel, who's gonna take this lovely girl. He's gonna be taking this lovely girl from her parents. Her father is gonna give him permission to marry this girl, and what he's gonna do? He's gonna break her heart. Vybz Kartel is gonna break Sidem's heart, man.
Pussy
just look. Because Vybz Kartel loves tattoos, BBLs, and freaky girls. And for all of you ladies who used to support Vybz Kartel, man, you must be feeling pretty fucked up right now because Vybz Kartel sent you to put on tattoo and pierce your tongue, your ears, your ass. And now guess what? Look at the type of girl that he wants to marry. And for all of you ladies who used to support Vybz Kartel, man, you must be feeling pretty fucked up right now because Vybz Kartel sent you to put on tattoo and pierce your tongue, your ears, your ass. And now guess what? Look at the type of girl that he wants to marry.
Yeah, look, yeah.
That's the type of girl that's going to millions, and you're not going to be getting any. Come on, man, let's sign this petition, man. Gaza fans, get the fuck out of my comment section, man. I don't want you over here saying shit. Y'all hear that? So, just like, share, regular, for my super Spark community. Man, you guys are so super. You're beautiful. You're gorgeous. You're everything that a man wants. And you know, all of my bros, man, big up yourself. But man, just subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. And let's have a petition to stop this marriage, man. We have to save Sidem. Hashtag save Sidem.
Hashtag save Sidem.
Hashtag save Sidem Oster. Okay? Because Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oster, man. Doesn't one bit.
Man said doesn't one bit. He must say doesn't one bit, you know. Bro.
Hey, YouTube.
Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, bro. Cause trust me that the man funny on a different level. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about that, brother. Yeah. Some shit where you must say, bro, me can't even phantom it, bro. Me are dead here so with lag, dog. Seriously. But you know, if you do already, if you like the reaction, let me know what to do next. And I'll do it for you. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You know, it's Vibes and Insight with Nando. I'm out. Peace.